For today's video, I wanted to share one of the most requested videos on my channel, my hair care routine. I've had long hair since forever and I can't even tell if it's genetics or not because no one in my family has such long hair or even volume. In my Sikh community and in my religion, both men and women are not allowed to play with appearance. This means that we aren't supposed to touch any hair in our body and accept the way we are created. This also means no tattoos, plastic surgery or anything else. Just plain and natural you. But times have changed and it's 2019 and not everyone is as religious as before and people are doing what they want to do rather than what they're expected to. So yes, one of the main reasons why I have such long hair and why the ends of it are thinner is because I have never cut them off and I've kept them natural. New hair grows, weak hair falls, and that's that. Now I'm not exactly religious and I don't follow the rules because I do like a change here and there and I do love coloring my hair, getting piercings done and playing with lots of makeup. Now before I apply any product to my unwashed hair, I always make sure to brush through and get rid of any tangles so that when I apply a product, it applies seamlessly. For this, I always turn to my trusty tangle teaser. I have noticed that with this hairbrush, there is less hair breakage and ultimately less hair fall. It's small, compact and easy to carry in my handbag whilst looking cute as well. Before I start with my hair care routine, I want to let you all know that I have been dealing with a sworn enemy of mine called dandruff. I've had it almost all my life until recently I visited a dermatologist here in India and she said that I have a condition called seborrheic dermatitis, which is like a severe case of dandruff. She recommended me a few products and they have been quite helpful. You can say I'm almost dandruff free right now. My other main concern is dryness. I have very dry scalp and hair, so the products that I'll be mentioning are going to cater to what my hair needs. Keep in mind, this is my hair care routine. The first product that I'm going to be using is the Skurf Lotion. This was prescribed to me by the dermatologist, but you can also get this over the counter. At the back of this product, it says, Skurf is a specially designed, unique leave-on lotion for the total care of dandruff. It also suggests to be applied in the morning as a leave-on and washed off within 30 minutes, but it's not necessary for you to use it in the morning specifically. You can use it whenever you plan to wash your hair. It looks like a very cool product with a super long nozzle. I apply it to my scalp evenly and lightly massage it in. It also has a very nice delicate smell, which is a plus point for this lotion. After I'm done massaging, I tie my hair into a bun. I do have a tutorial on my channel titled 3 no hair buns for long hair. So if you're interested to learn how I did this bun, I have linked it below. Also thumbs up if you liked this video so far and subscribe if you want to watch more. Now that 30 minutes are up, it's time for a wash. This was very awkward for me to film, but I am ready to be criticized. But since this is a hair care routine video, I thought I'll give it a try. For shampoo, I'm using the Loreal Total Repair. This is actually what my mom uses because I've left my shampoo back in London, which is the Bedhead Resurrection shampoo in stage 3 for extremely dry hair. It was very large in size and not trial friendly. I lather and wash twice to make sure my hair is extra clean. Once my scalp feels thoroughly cleansed, I go in with the prescribed shampoo for my dandruff, which is called Scalp Plus. I lather it into my scalp and leave it on for no more than 3 minutes for that extra scalp clean boost. I use this now maybe once in 2 weeks to keep dandruff at bay, but before, when I had severe dandruff, I would use it with every wash. Now that the scalp is nice and squeaky clean, it's time to condition my hair from mid to tips. For this, I use the Bedhead conditioner, which again, I've left the actual packaging back in London, but I did fill it into 2 plastic bottle containers. I knew I could have filled one bottle with the shampoo and the other one with the conditioner, but this baby is just too good, and so I decided to leave the shampoo behind. I personally feel that a choice of conditioner is way more important than shampoo. You can use any shampoo, but once you find a conditioner that really works for your hair, you should stick to it. And since I have dry hair, this one really helps. I leave it on for 5 minutes and wash it off. After a nice shower, it's time to gently towel dry my hair and apply the next prescribed product for dandruff. Diprobate Plus can be taken over the counter, but please ask your GP before you do so as it is a stronger product than the rest. You can also skip it if you don't have severe dandruff. I take only a small amount and apply it to my scalp. Now it's time to apply a serum. Again, this is another product that is my holy grail. I promise you this video is not sponsored by Bedhead, but I absolutely cannot live my life anymore without this serum. This is their Ego Boost Split End Mender and Leave-In Conditioner. This baby smells like a dream and helps me keep my hair smooth, soft, shiny, and has also given me noticeably less split ends. I just wish they never discontinue this product or I'll have to stock up. I apply a generous amount from mid of my hair to tips. Sometimes I also lightly apply on top to keep the hair flies away, as it does mention at the back that it keeps them at bay. So now that I'm done with my hair care routine, it's time to sleep. I do choose to wash my hair at night as it can dry while I rest in bed. I rarely blow dry my hair to protect it from heat as much as possible. Now that it's morning and I have had a good night's sleep, I do touch up my hair if I have planned to go outside, otherwise I skip the upcoming steps. I go in again with the serum as it works as a heat protector as well, and then I use a hair straightener from Joe's Eber to straighten the hair closer to my scalp as I see new hair growth. 8 months ago, I did get smoothing treatment done, which permanently straightened my hair as it was naturally more on the curly side. I also roughly touch up the tips of my hair for a more straighter look, but this is just my preference and my way of doing my hair. You can by all means straighten or blow dry them completely. For me, this is just quicker. And that is all, you guys. I hope my hair care routine is not as intimidating as it looks like. I think it's worth it because the results are pretty great. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give a thumbs up if you like, a thumbs down if you don't like, it's okay, and subscribe if you would like to see more. I love you and take care.